So this is going to be my attempt in one take to do a quick primer on some Carcano rifles that we got from D&K or DK Guns. And this is a shout out to the Koba channel, and thanks to his tireless efforts in the milsurps and especially the Carcanos, would direct you towards his YouTube channel. And without any further ado, I will see if I get the camera set up so that I can take a look at these two pieces we got from DK Guns and show them to you. So this is how they came. They were packaged a little better than this. The dealer took some of the bubble wrap out of them, but they were both in one box. Fair amount of bubble wrap on them. First time really looking at them. Got a few variations, it looks like, off hand. One's got the sideways style bayonet lug. The other one's got the straight one. And slings on the side only on this one. And this has got bottom and side slings on it. And markings on the barrel, 1928 tourney, fair amount of cosmoline on it. This one's a little cleaner, just as taken out of. And there's the 91 TS import mark with this import serial number. And this one, import mark and serial number. Overall, initial observations, this one's got a little bit of rust on the, light rust overall, but not bad. A little bit of rust on the butt plate. A little bit of elbow grease. I see there's some tape over the muzzle on this one. They both have their cleaning rods. And everything appears to be functional. Bolt looks complete. Nothing missing. Obvious, if that can be seen. Just needs to be cleaned up really good. And the other one. Plenty of preservation grease on it. Gosling. A little nicer looking stock on this one. A little bit of light rust on the butt plate, but overall looks like it's been preserved halfway decently. And bore looks like it'll clean out decently. Don't see any nasty rust anywhere. These were the standard 249 deal, and overall, pretty good looking rifles. I think they'll clean up really nice. Well, that's it for a quick overview, and I'd like to thank Mike at the Koba channel, and all of his effort and energy that he's put into all of his videos on not just the Carcanos, but on a lot of different milsurps. And we've got a few different milsurps that we need to probably put videos out on as well as time goes on. There's a sporterized Carcano there, and there's another one that's sporterized, and a whole room full of other ones that will be shown in the future. So stay tuned. Have a good day.